Okay, on today's episode, we decided to take my 96-year-old dad out fishing and check out some spots. As you can see, the day was beautiful. Not a big wave in sight as we headed to our spot.
Look at the size of these shrimp.
I'm getting him.
Está arriba, bro.
Came off. No. Espérate. Look. Abuelo.
Este está más grande,
Casi. Vamos a seguir entonces.
It's bigger. You wanna medirlo?
Yeah, let's measure it. Let's measure it. Hold on.
Let's measure it.
That's probably 9 measures. Show on 3 back. Muy pequeño.
So after a beautiful day on the water with my 96-year-old dad and the other grandparents, we decided to call it a day and try again the next day. And today we decided to take the boat out of Calusa, which was closer to our spot.
I should have got 7 dozen.
That's what Sebi likes. He doesn't care about keeping it. He just cares about cleaning
Now you
it.
grab a fish, you put the fish in the rod
Let me
holder.
grab it with the rod.
Put the fish in the rod holder. And you open your bail.
Let's take a picture of you with that fish.
So right up until I was 25, I didn't really fish with anything but a yo-yo. That's all I ever knew. And this is a typical Cuban,
Take that towel
very
off.
traditional way of fishing, as my dad is demonstrating here. We tried to give him a rod the day before, and he insisted on using the yo-yo. And to be honest, he caught a lot more fish using the yo-yo.
Did he cast it already? Oh, I missed it.
You get the different casts of the yo-yo, and then the one he just drops it, one he throws it. Another one he goes like this, like the lasso.
That's not it.
That was a good one. The way it was bending the rod,
It's also
they grab the shrimp and they just rip it off.
it's also a very light rod though. So. This guy. He wants bait.
Okay, all right. Oh, that would have gone viral.
Okay, I missed it.
YouTube short.
I missed it.
Pescando con Felipe y Trevilla.
Okay. Okay.
I think it's a needle fish back there.
Yeah, I think it's
I'm pretty sure it's.
That's gonna get a lot of likes because it's terrible.
They're gonna watch that over and over. Oh, God,
So I
how
joked
funny.
with our guests as we were taking them out to the secret spot that I'd have to blindfold them before we got there. They assured me after we finished the day that the spot would certainly remain a secret.
No back out.
We caught a lot of fish today, but they were all small once again. But we spent a really nice time together. And at the end of the day, that's what's important, is spending time together as a family and enjoying making memories. Till next time.